I'm Amy at EuroluxHome.com, and this is my friend Minky who's helping me today. And I would love to tell you about this beautiful set of Bergere chairs. They are our item number 27-70, and they are so pretty. To start with, the height from the top of the chair down to the floor is 44.5 inches high by 30 wide, and then 25 deep all the way to the front of the seat. And our seat height is 20 inches. So these chairs date right about 1890, 1900, and they are completely hand carved in solid walnut and are Rococo Revival or Louis XV style. Now, if you're not familiar with Rococo Revival or Louis XV style, be sure to check out our video that we did about that style to give you lots of details and all of the history behind the style. But I'll say that it really is a beautiful example. Here at the top, we have carved roses and this C curve that is actually pierced. And we have these asymmetrical designs. Here we have more piercings here and these nice curves, and it curves down here. We have nice carved hand rests with lots of flourishes. And then, of course, as we come down, we have our curvy cabriole leg, and even the knee is nice and carved with details. And here at the center on the apron, we have beautiful carvings, and they are a little bit asymmetrical, which is part of this Louis XV or Rococo style. Now, it does have the original upholstery, which is a bit of a shabby chic look right now. There are stains, a little bit of stains and wear. Could be used right now if that is your aesthetic, or it gives you the opportunity to have them reupholstered and have fabric that would match the design of your home. They are really nice and comfortable, and really would just imagine on either side of a fireplace or part of a living room. I mean, you really could even sit back and watch TV in these if you wanted, or just anywhere where you need just nice occasional seating that is elegant and refined. If I can answer any additional questions for you, please feel free to reach out at 803-276-4001. Remember that EuroluxHome.com does include free shipping within the continental US and some places in Canada. But let me know what you think about these just gorgeous solid walnut chairs in the comment below. Thanks so much.